Burnout during the pandemic is a top concern for healthcare workers, and that was the subject of a roundtable discussion this week here in Phoenix. Julio Mora Rodriguez heard from a U.S. Surgeon General and the Assistant Secretary for Health about their visit with area healthcare providers.
U.S. Surgeon General Vivek Murthy is traveling the country to hear from healthcare workers. In Phoenix, healthcare providers expressed their concerns with burnout in a closed meeting. After the meeting, the Surgeon General held a press conference at the Phoenix Indian Medical Center.
We came here to learn a little bit more about their experiences, to thank the staff here, and to talk about how we can build a broader movement in our country to address health worker burnout.
Vivek Murthy says burnout is a national crisis and is a major factor in a health worker shortage in the country. 1
in 5 doctors are saying they plan to leave their clinical practice. Imagine a scenario where you break a bone or you're sick and have to go to the hospital, but you have to wait for a long period of time because there's a staffing shortage.
Dr. Claire Nechiporenko, Chief of Pediatrics at the Indian Medical Center, says her experiences in the Indian Health Service helped her avoid burnout.
You make your colleagues connections, they become family, all of a sudden, well, friends, and then they become family, and you're over at, supporting each other. And I think that was probably one of the keys to preventing burnout.
Jasmine Lopez is an experienced clinician in the mental health care field. She advises healthcare workers who are struggling to listen to their body.
Practicing mindfulness, so any type of mindfulness activities, meditation, any type of physical activity to get like that negative energy out of you. Because if you do let that stress accumulate and lead to burnout, just depending on how severe it is, it can take a long time to get out of it.
Surgeon General Murthy also says all of society has to step up to ultimately take care of our healthcare workers. In Phoenix, Julio Mora Rodriguez, Cronkite News.
The advice isn't just for healthcare workers. Lopez reminds everyone that mental health is important and to pay attention to when you need a break.